How are we doing this morning? Well, another good day in the shop. We have got to get this tractor done, get the starter off the tractor. I got the parts to fix the tractor. And then we're actually going to start on the wiring for the 62C10. I got all my wiring in. We're going to lay it out. We're going to go from there. We're going to see how it does, kind of lay it out, tape everything together, get the fuse boxes mounted. I've got 2 fuse boxes. I've got to look at both kits, and yeah, we're going to go from there. But we'll see y'all shortly. All right, guys, so here we are today. We start the first day of wiring cheese grater. As soon as I find a pair of pliers, we'll say cutters. Let's just say that. Cutters. So we're going to start el instructions. I've got 2 kits. This one is just for the LS. So we are going to separate it out. So we can kind of get an idea of what we're looking at. Speedo. Wow. All right. Fan, brake, fan, AC required, speedo, tack. I love how this thing is all just vehicle speed sensor. Hey, this one's not labeled. Uh-oh. Oh. There's that. Got no idea what that's for either. Oh, it's got the alternator. Awesome. TPS. Well, this is just cool. Let me get this other box here. That's the computer. Cam. Knock sensors. And the ground. There's my injector harnesses. Ooh, didn't even think about that. All right, so those are injector harnesses. I don't have a clue what that is. That's O2 sensors. Okay, so those, we know what those are. Two different type of cam sensors. Oh, interesting. Yeah. That's for the Oh, that's a trans. I wonder. There's my trans controller. All right. Good deal. That's what that is. I just didn't know what. So the biggest question I had was, this is the engine management system wiring. The other thing I've got is the wiring kit for the truck itself. And I wanted to double check to make sure that this didn't supersede or didn't replace. I mean, I just want to make sure this was, you know, it wasn't like for the brake lights. I want to make sure that this fuse box didn't have anything for, you know, for the system itself. You know, I just didn't want to put dual things in. Oh yeah, lovely. So we're going to move all this over to the front of the motor and see what we got to do from there. All right, so one of the first things we're going to have to do is we are going to have to, oh goodness, take out all of this other, whoa, what do we got here? Huh. All right. So we got to pull out all this other wiring, which might be interesting. So we're going to need some tools. Oh Lord. Well, first things first, we're going to have to take the dash out and the keys. All right, so we need some tools. Need a Phillips head. Grab something to put all these screws in too. Magnetized. Save that battery. I'm trying some stuff on my edits here. Trying to get better at my edits to where it looks professional. But I can't get anybody. I don't like commenting. I don't understand it. Oh, one more. Oh, that ain't the right one. Now we need a flathead. So guys, it's been 3 years since this vehicle got took apart and put back together, and it's just a lot of fun. It is. It's a lot of fun, but it's a lot of hard work. We're trying out some new things today too. We're trying out some enhanced microphones. Y'all tell me if the sound quality is any better. Well, I tell you what, this is crazy. Oh, there it comes. I should have probably done this a long time ago. Alright, pull all them out. Okay. Let's see. I don't know what that, oh, that was gasoline. Guys, really, that dash does not look too bad. If you believe it, this thing only had 32,070 miles on it. Ain't that a trip? We're gonna go set this to the side. Set it over there. Now we gotta get on this. Wow. Okay. Gotta love it. Now what's holding that in? Alright, there was a bolt holding that in. But I don't care about that. All this is coming out. Y'all hear all this grunting and groaning. Oh, my son-in-law is a jokester. Jokester, I tell you. All right, so Looks like 1/4 inch or 5/16. And then a knife. Yeah. Trying to get this fuse out of here. The fuse panel, I should say. And I also got to get the normally there is a all right, so we got to put on the list, we got to put a new headlight switch. And yeah, we're going to get a 1/4 inch into 5/16. Try a 1/4 inch first. And that's what it is. Looks like uh-oh, we broke a fuse. I don't think it's really gonna matter now. Oh, ain't that a trip? Well, yay! Fuse panel's out. All right. So all the wiring, other than the new stuff, is gone. Yep. So now we got just all the new stuff I put in. So now we start taking it back to the old. Need to do something about all that. Might have to spray paint that. What do y'all think? Comment down below. There's the wiper motor. We'll have to check, make sure that still works. Got the dash out. Yeah. Got to get a new key switch. We're gonna have to get one of them too. Have to worry about getting that out. And then get the new door rubber on too while I'm thinking about it. That stuff's old as dirt. Uh-oh, a little bit of rust action. We gotta fix that. All right, guys, we'll be back shortly. Whoa, that's a bright light behind us. All right, guys, here's the wiring harness. Let's get a better view, better camera shot. That's the wiring harness. Might have some little fire, but it worked for 1962. That wire is old wire. But we're going to keep it just to We might need these plug-ins, these connectors, you never know. I know I'm definitely going to have to order a new light switch. But yeah, so we're going to keep that to the side over here. So right now, we're just going to cover up some of this stuff to make it look all nice and even. Well, y'all can't see me when I do it that way. This is where it's going to get tricky. We got to route all of this. I need to come up with something to put that on. That's the fuse box for the... Need to come up with something. Because see, those wires stick out the back. And they don't. That's interesting. Alright, we need to see if we can start shoving some of this through this little bitty hole.